What are your tips for optimizing e-commerce for Black Friday before and during? Um, Look, before and during, you can't do anything. It's a 4-day window, right? Black Friday and Cyber Monday. What you need to do is to put all your building blocks before that. So most of these e-commerce campaigns, and one of my very dear friends, Scott Cunningham from Merchant Mastery, he is brilliant at this, and he will tell you that you need to have everything ready by, I think, 1st of October at the very latest, and then you start building up your audiences for remarketing. So what I believe, and I know what he does, is they run campaigns to the cold audience October and November, or middle of November, and then middle of November they switch over with a big audience, because you need to have an audience to remarket, right? If you don't have an audience to remarket, you won't be able to reach out. So then they start the remarketing campaign. I'm not sure which date they actually start, but then the focus is very aggressively on remarketing campaigns during the holiday season. And if you want to learn more, his website is merchantmastery.com. It's worth having a word with him.